मार्शल मुजाहिद अनवर खान को निशान इम्तियाज देने की तकरीब जारी है। सदर मुमलिकत डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी एयर चीफ मार्शल को निशान इम्तियाज दे रहे हैं।
For conferment of Nishan Imtiaz Civil upon Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan, Nishan Imtiaz Military, Chief of the Air Staff. Thank you, sir. I now invite Dr. Ikramul Haq for recitation from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقون من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون. وإن جنحوا للسلم فاجنح لها وتوكل على الله إنه هو السميع العليم. صدق الله العظيم.
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan, Nishan Imtiaz Military, Chief of the Air Staff, was commissioned in December 1983 as a fighter pilot in General Duty Pilot Branch of Pakistan Air Force. During his illustrious career, he commanded a fighter squadron. He held various operational appointments as Base Commanders PF Base Shahbaz, Base Commander PF Base Musaf, Air Officer Commanding Central Regional Air Command, Deputy Chief of Air Staff Support, and Deputy Chief of Air Staff Operations at Air Headquarters. He is a graduate of Combat Commander School, Command and Staff College, Jordan, and National Defense University, Islamabad. He did his master's degree in War Studies and Defense Management. He was decorated with the Legion of Merit Medal by the Government of Republic of Turkey. He was promoted to the rank of Air Chief Marshal and appointed as Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force on 19th March 2018. On 27th February 2019, under his command, Operation Swift Retort was conducted in response of Indian fighter jets' violation of Pakistan's airspace during midnight of 26th February 2019. Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan played a visionary role in planning and execution of the entire Operation Swift Retort. The successful response of Pakistan Air Force established the credibility of our conventional deterrence in maintaining strategic edge in the region, the spectacular success of PAF response to Indian misadventure under the command of Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan Nishan-e-Imtiaz military was widely applauded by the nation. In recognition of his dedicated services and for raising the morale of the people of Pakistan in Operation Swift Retort, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Civil upon Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan Nishan-e-Imtiaz military Chief of the Air Staff. Now I request the Air Chief Marshal Mujahid Anwar Khan Nishan-e-Imtiaz military Chief of the Air Staff to come forward and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Civil from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Honorable President, may I have your permission to close the formal proceedings of this special investiture ceremony? Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the proceedings of this special investiture ceremony are now closed. Guests are invited for refreshments.
आपको बताएं कि पाक फिजाइया के सरबराह को निशान इम्तियाज सिविल देने की तकरीब इस वक्त जारी थी। एयर चीफ मुजाहिद अनवर खान को निशान इम्तियाज सिविल देने की तकरीब सदर आरिफ अलवी ने एयर चीफ मार्शल को निशान इम्तियाज से दिया है, जिसका कुछ हिस्सा आपने आज न्यूज की टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर बराह रास्त मुलाहिजा किया है। आपको बता रहे हैं कि सदर डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी ने एयर चीफ मार्शल को निशान इम्तियाज दिया है। पाक फिजाइया के सरबराह को निशान इम्तियाज सिविल देने की तकरीब जारी। यहाँ पर आपको खबर दें